Are you ready for work today?
Yes, we shall finish our work today. The fight has started. There, come stop them.
Let's end everyone's fight.
Why are you fighting today? Both I said stop.
Hello, stop the fight.
What happened to you two?
We're not fighting, we are wrestling. Look at our wrestling.
Okay, continue, dears.
Who will fight willingly now?
I shall fight.
I'm better than you.
Oh, man!
I beat you today.
You will not be able to do anything like that.
Ah, fiddle faddle!
Well, yea, well, putting up a good fight and loud. And hit hard and hit hard and hit hard.
Ew.
You hit me so hard, I fell down.
I fell down on my own.
What's there? Let's go and see.
There is something dangerous in the cave.
Voices are coming from this cave.
Let's run, friends.
Come on, run.